Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change profile picture on Epic Games. First, you will need to go to your preferred browser and in the Google search bar type how to change profile picture on Epic Games. Press enter. Then in the search results, you will see the first link. This is the Epic Games link provided by the official website of epicgames.com. Go to this link. When you open this link, you will see this type of interface. Here they can say that currently there is no way to change the profile icon for either the Epic Games account or Fortnite. The Epic Games account profile icon shows the first letter of the account's registered display name. The Fortnite profile icon shows the current outfit that was last equipped while in game. Whenever the player changes their outfit, the icon will change to reflect that outfit. So, there is not any official way to change the profile icon of the Epic Games account as of now. But if you're not satisfied with this, so here in the down you will see the option of contact us. Simply click on contact us. When you click on contact us, then you will need to log in into your Epic account. When you complete the process of login into your Epic account, then you will be able to contact us to the official support team of Epic Games. Then the official support team of Epic Games will solve your problem as soon as possible. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.